Understanding "Don't screw with me," an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unpack a very interesting phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or perhaps in real-life conversations. Don't screw with me. This phrase can be quite powerful and conveys strong emotions, so it's important to understand its nuances and appropriate usage. Stay with us as we explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it correctly in English conversations. Don't screw with me is a phrase that essentially means, do not mess with me, or do not trick, deceive, or treat me badly. It's a warning to someone not to take advantage of the speaker or to engage in behavior that the speaker would find offensive, harmful, or disrespectful. This phrase can convey frustration, anger, or a warning that the speaker is not to be underestimated. It's crucial to understand the tone and context when this phrase is used because it can significantly affect the relationship between the people involved. It's often seen as confrontational or defensive and is typically used in situations where the speaker feels threatened or annoyed. While the exact origins of "don't screw with me" are a bit murky, it's a phrase that has been in use for decades, particularly in American English. The verb to screw has many meanings in English, but in this context, it's used in the sense of to harm or to manipulate. There are variations of this phrase, such as "don't mess with me" or "don't fool with me," which are slightly less aggressive and can be used in less tense situations. Understanding these variations can help you choose the right expression for the right context. It's important to note that this phrase, and its variations, can carry different weights and implications in different cultures. In some contexts, it might be seen as very aggressive and could escalate a situation rather than diffuse it. In more informal or familiar settings, it might be taken more lightly, especially if used among friends with a clear understanding of each other's boundaries. When using such phrases in English, especially if you're learning the language or are in a multicultural environment, it's vital to be aware of the surrounding cultural norms and the relationship between the people involved. Misusing it can lead to misunderstandings or conflicts. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, "don't screw with me," and its place in the English language. Understanding such expressions is key to mastering the nuances of English and communicating effectively. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about understanding the context and emotions behind the words. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language learning content. See you in the next video.